OI words. OI, 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 oi. Koi, coin. Boy, boil. Oi, oil. Soil, soil, soil. OI at the end of the words. Oi, oi, oi. Boy, toy. Joy, enjoy. OY, oi, oi, oi. Sound practice OI and OY. Roy was a boy who loved his toy. One day, he put a metal coin in the soil and waited with joy. His sister Moya came to play and brought some corn oil to fry a toy fish. "Oh, what a great choice," said Roy.